agree?
Yeah, let them grant
There
them.
is no violence, you are saying.
Yeah, we have Article 3 of the
But
Constitution
what
of
kind
India.
of, there are different, incidents happens in the Manipur, the violence, the suspension of operation, you already know.
Yeah.
The suspension, why the suspension of operation?
Why was Subhash Chandra Bose fighting for India? What did he
They are
say?
the Subhash Chandra
What
Bose.
was his statement? Give me blood, I will give you freedom. If
So
anyone,
what kind of freedom? Freedom from India?
yeah, freedom from the clutch of the Meiteis.
You are saying the freedom from India.
No, free from.
Meta is not in hill area. Meta
Yeah.
is not in
Yeah.
hill area. Hill area is yours.
Out of 60 MLA Legislative Assembly, 60% the Meiteis, 10 only the Kukis.
Okay.
See how politically we have been.
You can demand the more seats for you. You can demand the more seats. You are now saying sometimes ago you are saying that the separate administration. Now you are saying the KUKILAND.
We have history.
KUKILAND is destroying. Where is KUKILAnd?
See, we have a history.
KUKILAnd is does not exist now. KUKILAnd does not exist now. It's a term used by the Meitei, and now you are saying that Meitei is alligating every time that you are demanding the KUKILAnd. Now you are saying.
Listen to me, please.
Okay, you can.
We have a history of demanding for the implementation of Article 371C. Over 30-40 years, we have been demanding for effective
That is the different
implementation.
thing.
But
Definitely.
it's not been implemented. Had it been implemented, this situation would not have been transpired this far. So, the best thing to get away from the clutch of the Meiteis, majoritarian government, is to demand for a separate administration in the form of UT of judiciary format.
You are saying that the separate administration, the name of this particular area will be KUKILAnd.
Yeah.
You are saying.
KUKILAnd, yeah, it has to be KUKILAnd. What else? Has it to be Bharat UT or Manipuri UT or what else would it be, you think?
When you think about the UT, the center will govern.
Yeah, it has to govern directly from the center.
Center.
Now, we have been suppressed for the last 40 years now by the majoritarian Meiteis.
You believe in central?
Yeah, we believe in center.
You believe in Modi?
Not a single belief we are pinning on the state. Now our hope pins now on the center. Unless the center intervenes, we are gone.
Can the extremist people down their guns? Because
So
every
long,
time
that's good question. So long as
I'm not saying about the Kuki and Meitei. I'm saying the extremist people is all over there. They are killing the people, innocent people, even from Kuki communities, even from Meitei communities. All are killing.
So long as the private militia of CM Biren, which you call Arambai Tengol. So long as they hold.
They are saying Kuki militant. You are saying CM Biren militia.
Yeah, they are the private militia, Arambai Tengol. As long as they are holding their guns, we have to hold the whatever.
It means you
traditional
both
guns
have their
that
own. It means you both have your own argument that they have the gun. That's why we have the gun.
See,
Nobody will believe in the.
you have good knowledge that they have looted 7,000 arms, over 5-6 lakhs ammunition. It's the state.
There is some news. Is it true or not? It is depend on the perception. But there is some news that in the Kuki areas they have the mortars, they have the rocket launchers, they have the drones. We have these news from the newspapers and media. What would you like to say about this?
So far, I'm not aware whether we have drone or not, but I'm aware that we have
Some weapons.
cannon. You know cannon?
You
That's traditional made cannon.
okay? Cannon.
That's cannon.
You have a cannon.
Yeah, cannon. That's the best ever machine or guns that we can manufacture.
What will you do with these weapons?
Yeah, it's very explosive and see, it has a very good historical significance. Even with this traditional gun, more than 100 years ago, 1917, 1919, with this machine, with this gun, we fought against the British. Just think of a tribal.
That is the history, na?
Yeah, we have. Now we have.
In India, in Delhi, we don't have gun. Why you have gun?
Because the Arambai Tengors, they shoot at us. See, do you ever see a Kuki volunteer dying in the land of the Meiteis? No.
Yes.
No. And
Several incidents is there.
that innocent women only you will see in Imphal Valley. They were killed, but you will see a lot of Rambai Tengol volunteers dying in the land of the Kukis. That means they
They
encroach.
are alleging that you kidnap them and kill there.
Never at all, yeah. You come and see inside the land of the Kukis.
But that is the hill area. Why they came here?
Yeah,
Why
they encroach,
came here?
they encroach the land. That's why we shoot in defense of our land.
You are talking about the Churchanpur?
Not only Churachandpur, Kangpokpi, More, Tingnaupal, Chandel, everywhere, wherever the Kukis are there.
One more and last question. You have admitted that there is some poppy cultivation, illegal poppy cultivation.
I don't admit. I am not aware. I have been here for the last 5 years ago. I have not been to there.
You are saying
village.
there is no poppy cultivation?
I don't say it's not there, but I'm not aware.
Not aware.
Yeah, I'm a student here. I'm deeply committed to my study.
So you are not aware.
I'm not
Or
aware at
you are
all.
raising the issue.
I'm not raising the issue.
You are not aware. You are raising the issue.
No, it's not about poppy cultivation that we are raising. We are raising about the issue of land.
You are saying that destroy KUKILAnd.
Yeah, they destroyed KUKILAnd. They are trying to encroach.
It may be meaningful that destroys Cookies community, but you are saying that destroys.
You should be aware that we have good natural resources. That's the reason they are trying to exploit the land. Not only the natural resources like trees, stones.
But at the legal term, they cannot take your land.
Yeah, they cannot take. So
Who is destroying?
to be in a position to take their lands, they are demanding for ST status.
Okay.
That's the main position. That's the primary. That's the immediate cause.
You are saying that third of I think May.
Yeah, that's the primary cause for demanding ST status. There was even
It was your march, nah? It was not the Metai march.
yeah, it was our march.
Your march
Tribal
and-
solidarity in collaboration with the fellow Naga tribals. Unfortunately,
Who is responsible that violence? Who was responsible?
They were the one.
That was your march.
yeah, they are the pride of the Kuki people is the centenary gate of the war that I mentioned. Anglo-Kuki War Centenary Gate.
That is your area.
Yeah, this is our pride symbol.
No, that
But
is your area.
on the 3rd of May,
You know.
the Meitei miscreants, they came and burned that gate.
That is Kuki majority area.
Yeah.
You are saying that
Yeah.
in Kuki majority
They
area.
sneak into our land. We never anticipated of any Meitei coming into or sneaking into our land. But unfortunately, some miscreants of the Meiteis, they sneak into our land and burn the pride, the symbol, the pride of the Kukis. That's,
Is there any way by which this violence can stop? Is there any way?
Yeah.
KUKILAnd is the different thing. But before the KUKILAnd, because it's a legal process, you're demanding the KUKILAnd. It's a long legal process you want KUKILAnd.
Yeah.
But the violence has been stopped. Any way, anything, what government will do?
the most viable solution. This is my message to the center that they should intervene. You are late, but better late than never to intervene and come out with a political justice for the Kuki people.
Is it your warning to the government or it is the appeal?
It's my appeal.
Okay.
It's my appeal to the center.
Okay.
Until and unless the political condition of the cookies are solved, the so-called Act East policy, it won't be implemented. See, it's inhabited by the Kuki people. Unless they
No,
are...
you are not saying that it's inhabited by only Kuki. It's lot of
But the transborder areas, More, Manipur and Myanmar, the transborder areas is mainly inhabited by the Kuki.
So you are saying that in Myanmar also Kuki is there?
Yeah.
In the border area, Kuki is there?
Yeah, sure, sure.
Then you want
Both sides.
You want the porous border. You want the border free.
We are not talking about border issue. I'm talking about the business project of the government of India, which is Act East policy.
You are saying that the open area should be there. Then people can go from this side to that side without any permit.
I don't assume that things at all. I mean is what my appeal to the center is to...
You are the student.
Yeah, I am a student.
You have deeper knowledge of the subject.
Yeah, I have.
You are true in your word.
Yeah, I'm true.
But don't hide anything about
I'm
it.
not hiding.
If your community do something wrong, you will oppose. Your
Yeah, if it's against,
the nation.
yeah, against the nation, I have to oppose.
That's it.
Yeah, unless it is genuine.
You prefer between the community and nation. What will you prefer?
Nation always first.
Okay.
Second, cookies.
Second,
Third, fourth, fifth, Maydays.
साफ साफ कह रहे हैं कि भाई नेशन फर्स्ट है, देश पहले है, कम्युनिटी बाद में है। लेकिन बहुत सारी बातों पर इन्होंने स्पष्ट तरीके से जवाब दिया। स्टूडेंट्स के लीडर्स हैं, बहुत अच्छी तरह से जवाब दिया। लेकिन कुछ बातों पर इन्होंने कहा कि मुझे पता नहीं। जब मैंने पॉपी कल्टीवेशन की बात की तो शायद इनको उसकी जानकारी नहीं थी। जब मैंने सस्पेंशन ऑफ ऑपरेशन की बात की तो उस पर भी इन्होंने स्पष्ट जवाब नहीं दिया। इन्होंने कुकीलैंड की बात की, कुकीलैंड डिस्ट्रॉय हो रहा है, लेकिन मेरा सवाल था कि कुकीलैंड जैसी चीज तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती, मणिपुर एग्जिस्ट करता है। तब इन्होंने कहा वो हमारी डिमांड है, सेपरेट एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की डिमांड है और उसको जो हम टर्म देंगे वो कुकीलैंड देंगे। अब देखना ये होगा कि कैसे शांति स्थापित होती है। सीनियर लीडर हैं स्टूडेंट्स के, लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि ये बड़ा मुश्किल हालात हो रहे हैं, जाने जा रही हैं, दोनों तरफ से जाने जा रही हैं और ये रुकना चाहिए। अब ये कम्युनिटी कब समझती है, हर कम्युनिटी दूसरे की गलती बता रही है, लेकिन खुद अपने गिरेबान में कब झांकेंगे, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है। देखते रहिए मिनी संसद।